Blackboard Outcomes is an assessment tool that has the ability to perform a variety of tasks. The system can gather data for program and course assessment, manage reports, and document program assessment processes. Which of these topics would you like to explore? Every program has the ability to assess assignments taken directly from courses offered in the program for program assessment. Outcomes can be instructed to gather evidence and store it in a collected evidence file. Evidence can be collected for a variety of outcomes, and it is possible to have multiple evidence sets. Choose the set that you want to access by clicking on the title. To evaluate, change the settings so that you are viewing the Analyze tab. This screen will provide you with many pieces of information. All of the evaluations that need to be completed are listed. The student's name will appear in column 2, although student information has been protected in this sample. Column 3 tells the date the evidence was collected, and column 4 states the evaluation status. As you can see, none of these samples have yet been evaluated. To begin evaluation, click the box next to the first document and then click Evaluate. It is now time to read the student's work. The student's submission may be written as text on the left side of the page, but more often than not, a document will be attached. To access this document, you will simply click the link provided. When you are ready to evaluate, click Evaluate on the left-hand side. The rubric will open in that screen. Fill in the rubric as you normally would, and click Submit. Now you are ready to evaluate the next submission. Click View Next to access the next document and evaluate in the same way. Surveys can easily be created, administered, and reported upon using the Blackboard Outcomes system. Building surveys is simple. Various survey questions can be added, including Boolean, Likert, Matrix, multiple choice, and open entry. Simply choose the one that makes the most sense for your question and begin. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the addition of your survey question. Once your survey has been designed, you will need to create a deployment. Begin by naming your deployment and click Save and Continue. Recipients may be associated with lists of individuals created in Blackboard or by more traditional manners through the uploading of Excel files. Like most other survey technologies, messages and schedules can be customized. Reporting your survey results is easy. Choose how you would like to report your results, either by survey or by question, and click Results can easily be generated in Word or PDF format. Program goals is a general term for outcomes, objectives, competencies, and goals that your program may wish to measure. Adding goals is very simple. To create an objective, first choose the appropriate type. Provide a name for the goal and an elaboration, then click Submit. The goal will be found in the list of other program goals. To edit goals, choose the goal that you would like to change and click Edit. Make any necessary changes to the goal and click Submit. Curriculum maps provide documentation concerning the alignment of a course to the program's goals. Building curriculum maps in Blackboard Outcomes requires 3 steps: associating the courses to your program, creating a curriculum map space, and aligning all associated courses to the map. If courses have been added to your program, building the map is simple. Begin by naming your map and then check the options you would like to include. Most maps include program goals and courses, but it is possible to add educational experiences to the map as well. You are ready to begin mapping. Goals can be added to each course by clicking the Edit buttons on the screen. Choose the level of support a goal will receive in each course. You may also choose to comment on the alignment of the course and the goal in the comments box. When you are finished, click Submit. To complete your curriculum map, add information about all of the courses in your program. Adding rubrics in Blackboard Outcomes can serve two purposes. They can be aligned to program goals to easily reference before assessing student work outside of the Blackboard Outcomes system, or they can be used for evaluating artifacts inside of the Blackboard Outcomes system. No matter how you decide to use the rubrics, you will find that adding them is an easy process. All rubrics must be named, and it is generally advisable to provide a description of the rubric so that others who have access to your area can fully understand the purpose of this rubric. Build your rubric by first defining the number of columns and rows that it should have. The default is set to 3 each, but rows and columns can easily be added by clicking Add Indicator or Add Criteria. Unused columns and rows can be deleted by deleting the space. Once your rubric is properly formatted, enter the performance criteria in each box. To edit the titles of the rows or columns, click Edit and follow the instructions on screen. If you desire to associate points to each criteria, click the Show Points box at the top of the rubric and enter points as appropriate inside the rubric space. When you have finished formatting your rubric to your specifications, click Submit to save. Blackboard Outcomes has the ability to store a variety of information that programs and departments report upon annually. UK utilizes this system to record strategic planning and assessment information. Information is entered as an improvement project, either from the department's page or, for the assessment of student learning, from the program's outcome page. Reports can be generated in a variety of formats, including HTML, PDF, and Word. Generating reports makes it easy to share assessment or strategic planning activities with others in the department or unit.